A little less than overstatement. Mastering understatement in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of our English language learning series. Today, we will explore a fascinating aspect of the English language known as understatement. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what understatement is, why it's used, and how you can use it in your everyday English communication. So, let's dive in. Understatement is a figure of speech in which something is purposely presented as being far less important, serious, or severe than it actually is. It's a way to downplay or diminish the gravity of a situation. The intention can be to add a touch of humor, to make a point more subtly, or to showcase a character's humility or indifference. Let's consider a couple of examples. 1. Saying, "It rained a bit more than usual," when there has been a torrential downpour. 2. Describing Mount Everest as a decently sized hill. You might be wondering, why would anyone use understatement? The key reasons are irony, sarcasm, humor, and politeness. Sometimes understatement is used to deliver a message with more impact, as the gap between the reality and the words used can make the listener think more deeply about the situation. For instance, saying, "He's not the friendliest person," about someone who is extremely rude can create a strong impression by forcing the listener to fill in the gaps. Understatement isn't reserved just for literature and drama. It is quite common in everyday English conversation. Here are a few examples. 1. If a task was difficult, you might say, "That wasn't easy," rather than expressing directly that it was hard or challenging. 2. If someone asks how you're doing on a day when everything is going wrong, you might say, "I've had better days," instead of detailing your misfortunes. And there you have it, folks. Understatement is indeed a subtle yet powerful tool you can add to your English communication toolkit. Its usage can add a touch of sophistication, humor, or irony to your speech. But remember, like all figures of speech, the key is in knowing when and where to use it appropriately. So, keep practicing, and you'll master this beautiful language feature in no time. As always, we hope you found this video helpful, and we look forward to seeing you in our next one. Happy learning!